Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and play Free Fire on your PC without using an emulator. First, open any web browser that you have installed on your PC. Once the browser is open, search for Play Games Beta in the search bar or click the link in the description of this video. It will take you to a page where you can download the necessary file to install Free Fire directly on your PC. On this web page, click on the green Download button to play games to your PC. Once the download is complete, locate the file on your computer. It's usually located in the Downloads folder. Now, right-click on the file and select Run as Administrator. This is important because it ensures that the installation process runs smoothly without any issues. The installation process is very straightforward. Just specify where you want to download the files. Keep in mind that it will require at least 2 GB of free space. First, make sure that you have some free space left in your drive, then click on Install. A few essential files will be downloaded to ensure that the software operates correctly. After that, the main installation will begin automatically. You won't need to do anything except wait for the process to complete. Once the installation is finished, you'll be required to sign into your Google account. Click on the Sign In button. This will open a web page in your browser. Enter your email and password to sign in. After that, open the Google Play Games Beta and set up your Play Games profile if you haven't already. The next step is to download Free Fire into your PC. To do so, click on the search icon on the left side menu and search for Free Fire. Here you can see Free Fire is optimized for PC. Click on the Install button to download it to your PC. Before you can install Free Fire onto your PC, you will need to enable hardware virtualization for Google Play Games. To turn on hardware virtualization for Google Play Games, you will need to access your computer's BIOS or UEFI settings. The steps for doing this will vary depending on your computer's manufacturer and model. However, the general process is as follows. First, restart your computer. Second, as your computer is restarting, press the appropriate key to enter the BIOS or UEFI settings. This key is typically F2, F10 or Delete. The specific key will be displayed on the screen during startup. Once you're in the BIOS or UEFI settings, look for a setting called Hardware Virtualization or Intel VTX or AMDV. The exact name of the setting will vary depending on your computer's manufacturer and model. Enable Hardware Virtualization. The specific steps for doing this will vary depending on your computer's BIOS or UEFI settings. However, the setting will typically be either a checkbox that you need to click or a drop-down menu that you need to change to Enabled. Save your changes and exit the BIOS or UEFI settings. Your computer will restart and hardware virtualization will be enabled. While the game is downloading, if you haven't liked this video yet, please do so. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and set the bell icon to all so you don't miss any future updates. Now, once Free Fire is fully installed, you'll receive a notification on your PC. You'll also see a Play button appear. Click on the Play button and the game will launch in full screen mode. The first thing you'll see is the Free Fire logo, followed by the loading screen. When Free Fire opens, you'll have the option to play using your Google account by clicking More and then selecting Sign In with Google. Once in the game, go to the InGame Settings. Here, you can adjust the sensitivity, control, and display settings to your liking. You can also set the graphics to max if your PC can handle it. As you explore the game settings, you'll find an option to map your keyboard controls. You can assign any key to perform specific actions, just like you would with key mapping in an emulator. After you've customized the key mapping, click on Save to apply the settings. Once everything is set up, you can go straight to the training mode to test the sensitivity and gameplay. If you find that the default sensitivity settings are too low, you can increase the general sensitivity. By default, it's set to 50, but I personally find that setting it to 100 works better for me. Now let's check out some gameplay. you'll notice that the PC version of Free Fire runs smoothly without any lag. However, if you're using a low-end PC, you might need to lower the graphics settings for a better experience. If you press Shift and Tab together, some additional game options will appear. You can use these to exit full screen mode by pressing F11 or clicking the appropriate option. That's all you need to know to download and play Free Fire on your PC without using an emulator. If you have any questions or if something wasn't clear, feel free to ask in the comments below. I'll do my best to respond to everyone. If you found this video helpful, please like it. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. As a gamer, it can be really hard to meet other people who share your interest. Heck, it's hard to find people who don't judge you for it. But did you know that there's a dating app specifically designed for gamers? Everyone on the app has the same hobby as you, making it much easier to form meaningful connections. If this sounds interesting, click the link in the description and try it out. You might end up finding your real-life player too.